Hi guys, welcome back to our series on prevention. So today we're going to be talking about xylitol and what it is and why it helps with preventing cavities. So what xylitol is, it is a naturally occurring sugar that occurs in most plant material. So it is not artificial. It helps with dry mouth, and it helps with preventing cavities. So the reason why it helps with preventing cavities is because when you're eating sugars, carbs, those things that you're eating, the bacteria that cause cavities eat those materials and they poop acid on your teeth, like Dr. Fain explained in a video before about how cavities are formed. So when you're eating xylitol, you are actually eating this substance that the bacteria cannot digest, so it is starving the bacteria. Therefore, you can't get cavities as easily. So, xylitol helps prevent the bacteria from sticking to the teeth surface. And since there's no acids that are formed, there is a higher pH in your saliva that allows calcium and phosphate salts in the saliva to start moving parts of the enamel that are weak, and they begin to harden again. So if you actually have at least 5 exposures a day to xylitol, it's just as efficient as brushing your teeth. So it's really good for those people that build up a lot. Also, it's really good for people that have dry mouth. It makes the saliva in your mouth like overproduce. So if you ever have any times of the day where you seem like you're drinking more water and you're needing like biotin, mouth rinse, or anything like that, you can also try the xylitol, and it really helps with the dry mouth. You want to make sure that your mouth is not dry, because that is also a reason that people get more cavities, because they don't have the saliva naturally rinsing off the teeth. So they build up more and they get more cavities at that point. Xylitol also has fewer calories and it doesn't raise blood sugar. So it's really good for diabetics to use this sugar. Most of the times you can find this sugar at health food stores or Amazon. And the way that I like to use it is in my gum. So this is just from Publix. You can go to the checkout lane and then turn your gum over to the ingredient list. The first ingredient in this is xylitol. So this is why I use this specific brand. There are other brands out there that use xylitol in their products, but I like to use it after I have a meal. I just pop a piece of gum in when I'm not able to brush or floss, and it also helps me throughout the day if I have any kind of dry mouth and don't have any water on me. So that's the way that I use it. But yeah, if you guys ever have any questions about it, what type of products that you would specifically need for you, please don't hesitate to ask. You can get this in all sorts of different products. There are candies with xylitol. There are little sweetener packets. What I like to do is put it in my oatmeal. I put the little sweetener packet into my oatmeal just to sweeten it up a little bit in the mornings, and it's not as bad as dumping a whole thing of sugar in there. But you can get mints, candies, tons of stuff that you can get in xylitol. So it's super easy to use, and you can also get these things called xylomelts, which are really good for those people that have dry mouth, because what you do with the xylomelts is they're little tablets, and you put it up on the side of your cheek, and it's right there by your saliva gland up at the top, and it sticks there, and you can wear it overnight, and it helps your saliva glands just produce a whole lot more saliva, so your mouth isn't so dry. So if you guys have any questions about xylitol, or where to get it, or what products you might need for you, just please ask us. Bye guys.